Yes.
Jack, look, it's fussing time. Doing this with Ross here. I want to see you. Ready? Jack loves to get lost.
Let's see.
Good boy. More? Okay.
Missed a couple errors.
There he goes. To the front. That's good. Good boy.
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, broke. Oh.
That's a tailwind.